Hello everyone. Today what we are going to do is we're going to learn about a tool called Rclone. So this is a utility where we can use it to copy the files from one system to another. Okay. So what we are going to do is we are going to copy the files from the Ubuntu local server to the OneDrive. Okay. We can copy files from one system to another, or we can copy to the cloud systems. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we are going to copy it to the OneDrive. Okay. In order to install the Rclone, I have already created a Confluence page and I have updated how to install it. You can check it here. Okay, this is how. This is the link for that page. Okay, once you open that page, there's a detailed information, and you can use this command to install the Rclone. Once the Rclone is installed, we need to do certain configurations. Okay, we'll do that configuration. That is Rclone config. Okay. Before that, let me see if already my config exists. I will delete it. Okay. cd rclone. Okay, it's already deleted. Okay, no problem. Okay. So our task for this video is we're going to copy this hello.txt file to the OneDrive. Okay, let's see what is the content. Hello text. It is okay, boss. Okay. What we are going to do is our clone config, and it says that we need to create a new remote. Okay. N. Then the remote name is OneDrive MG. Okay. I'll just give one name. It's left a U. You can name it like whatever you wish for. Okay. And then we can see the list of cloud services where we can transfer the files. Okay. What we are going to use, we are going to use OneDrive. That is the option 22. That is OneDrive. So just give 22. Okay. Client ID, client secret. Let it be empty. Okay. And just give with yes by default. And once it is done, you can see here it will provide a link. Okay. Use this link. Click on this, so it will automatically open in your browser. Okay, so I'm going to use this automaton user to log in. Okay, so once I log in, it will ask certain permission. We have to provide that permission and we will get the access. We will provide that access. Okay, giving this permission. So once this permission is given, stay signed in. No. Okay, so success all. Please go back to the Rclone. Okay, and if you can see here, let me show you the OneDrive path that I'm using. Okay, this is my OneDrive and this is my files. If you can see this directory, this is a shortcut directory. This directory belongs to this channel. Let me show the channel for you. Give me a minute. Teams. Okay, it's starting. So if you wanted to send the files to a channel, what you can do is go to that channel, create a folder, and add a shortcut to it. Okay, like I've done. So this is the Teams channel. So I want these files to be accessed by my Teams also. So in the general files, there is a binary. Okay, so there is one more option here that is called add shortcut. So this is the add shortcut to Drive. If you see here, okay, when you click on this, it will add a shortcut to your OneDrive. Okay, that is this path. Okay, so once this is done, so we have logged in and it says that logging into the login to authorize the Rclone for access, waiting for a code. And we have got the code also. Okay, once this is done, since we are a business customer, we can just go with the one as the option. And once one is done, you can use here also one. You don't use a personal cache library. You can directly go with OneDrive. Okay, that's all. Then you just say yes, this is okay. Okay, and quit config. Once it is done, what you can do is just to check if the file is created, go to this path cd dot config and rclone. You can see this rclone dot configuration is created. You can use this rclone configuration in any other systems also, and you can make the same things. Okay, this is the path. So once this is done, okay. So let's see if one rclone list remotes. Okay. Uh, since we have only one remote, that is OneDrive MG, we'll see what all files available in this remote. ls OneDrive MG. Just give this and okay, it is not showing anything. Let's see with the binaries. Okay, you can see that it is having this many files in that binaries folder. So it means that this is the path where we are going to copy it. Okay, rclone copy. Before that, let me verify that if this allowed.txt is available in that folder or not. Inside the binaries folder, uh, yeah, it is taking time to load. Let me see. So inside the binaries folder, we should not have the txt file. Okay, we're just going to copy that. Okay, you can see that inside my files binaries it is not available. So I'm just going to copy that or clone copy command, then hello.txt, then we're going to copy that to OneDrive MG binaries inside the binaries folder. Okay, it is already copied. You can see it here. Let's go to the path. Okay, just refresh this. Once you refresh, you should be able to see that file. alert.txt is available and it says OK plus. Okay. If you wanted to copy files from the cloud also, you can do it. Let's try that in a reverse way. I wanted to copy this platform UI inside that sandbox. I have this name, correct? Just let me copy this more. Okay. Okay. Let me type it manually, not a problem. Okay. Or cloud copy OneDrive MG inside the binaries folder. Inside the binaries folder, we are going to use platform UI and this, right? Just just copy this path. Just copy this path and give the current directory. Okay. And we'll see if this file is getting copied. Okay. Attempt font file when looking for a folder. Font error reading the source directory. Error reading source directory. It says that the okay. Binaries inside that platform UI sandbox platform UI. Let's see. Binaries inside that platform UI inside that a sandbox platform UI. Okay. Let me give this name only. Let's see this. It is getting copied. Okay. We'll check on this later. Okay. But our motto is to copy the file from our local system to the drive. That is happening. Okay. In the next video, I'll figure it out what is the problem and I'll resolve this. Thank you so much for your patience and your time. Thank you.